My name is Sheree Foldish. Back in 2014, I was diagnosed with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. At this time, the mortality rate at that time was 5 years from diagnosis. I'm going on 12, but I do have to be on oxygen 24/7, and that started my journey with Oximedical. I was very impressed, quite impressed. I met with the gentleman, his name is Leo, and he was very personable, very knowledgeable, and I felt very comfortable with him. I used the Inogen machine, and that's a 6-pulse. And I use this for when I put it into my motorized scooter. I put it into the little basket, and I'll go to church with it on. I'll go to malls, etc. And then I also have the Care Eclipse, which is a bigger model, and that goes up to a pulse. I believe it's 9 or 10.
Okay.
And that's used that's just a backup for everything. The Inogen, it's small, it's quiet. When I travel, I take the Inogen, I take the Eclipse, and I take my home because we do a lot of camping.
The smaller portable one is very compact, and she can put that while she's traveling on an airplane. She can put that underneath the seat, and it's very helpful for her. We'll go to the gym and work out with her.
Travel? You guys travel everywhere?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we went on a 9-state journey, and
Only?
Yeah, only. There is one thing that did happen on our vacation with the small Inogen. I accidentally dropped it, and it stopped working. I mean, it was a heavy drop.
Yep.
We were camping, and of course I panicked, and I got right on the phone to Oximedical, and what happened later was just absolutely wonderful. They sent to us to our campground via FedEx a brand new machine, and it was overnight delivery, and it was absolutely perfect.
the device was at our camping spot, and we were 5 hours away, but it was there
When we
waiting
arrived.
for us when we arrived.
That is
And I thank Oximedical for that.
Oh, yeah.